Welcome to Chaos Cortec. Hey guys, welcome back. So last week I created a pixel fire flower from Super Mario World, and it was pretty cool and turned out really well. So I thought it'd be fun. One of my favorite characters from Mario has always been the Thwomp, just because I always found it hilarious that they just stay up there looking angry until someone runs beneath them and then they just try to smash them. Like that's their only goal in life. Oh, I'm gonna smash some shit. So, thought I'd create a 3D printed one that I could stick on the fridge or anything metallic. So, without further ado, 3D printed Thwomp. And it is flat on the back, so you can attach a magnet to it or a pin so you can put it on clothing, anything like that. Anything you could glue to a flat surface, you could put this on. So that worked out pretty well. So let's take a look at how I created this. Okay, so here is the finished Thwomp. Again, pretty hard to see. There you can kind of see some of the details. It's this black filament. It's very hard to see. But fear not, because I will be painting this, or maybe you should be afraid of that. I don't know. We'll see how it turns out. So let's go do that. If you've watched my fire flower video I put up last week, you know the drill here. And if you haven't, I'll put a link, boom, right over here somewhere and down in the description. So you can go check that out yourself. Basically what we're going to do is we're just going to sand it, paint it, and then slap a magnet on the back. So let's get started. Okay, so this one obviously is a little bit harder to sand properly, but I got most of it, and that should do. So I'm going to attempt to paint this. I still suck at painting, so don't expect much. This will be just more of an attempt to paint this. So it should be pretty entertaining either way, so let's give it a shot. Okay, so now I'm going to attach the magnet to the back of the Thwomp here, just like we did with the fire flower. This time I've got a tiny little square magnet, should work pretty well. So I'll just do the same type of thing, coat the magnet with the glue, smear it around, and then we will just plop it right on there. Then we'll let it dry. Okay, so here we have the finished product. This one did not turn out as well as the fire flower, but there was a lot more details and stuff that I had to kind of work around. So not as good. Oh well, I had fun making it. I've also put the files up on Thingiverse, PinShape, and YouMagine. So if you'd like to download this, check those places. I'll have links down in the description. And also, you can see this one has a flat back, so you can put things on it, and it prints really easily that way. I also have the original file that I created that is the full Thwomp, that does not have the curved, or that does not have the flat back. So if you would like to print that, you'll probably need some supports of some kind to print that, but the file is there if you'd like to do that as well. Alright guys, well that's all for me. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe, and share this video. It helps me out a lot. You can also follow me on Twitter. I'm at ChaosCoreTech. And once you've done all that, check out some of these other videos I've made. Thanks for watching, guys.